Okay, this is it. In about 15-20 minutes, I'm going to be starting my very first mountain bike race. I don't know how much of a race it's going to be, but it's going to be fun at the very least. I mean, I'm going to ride my bike on trails in Vail. I don't really care if I place or not. I'm just out here to have a good time, but I'm excited. And I've only spilled a little electrolytes on myself so far, so we should be good. I'm not nervous at all.
Ashley! 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Finally some downhill. Woo! Whee! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Whew. Okay. Yep. And down. Oh, good, up again. Great. So excited. We're going up again. Surprise. There's slightly less oxygen here than I'm used to. Sure, it's pretty out here though. Woo! Woo! Yeah! I've got you, thank you! Woo! Whee! Alright, thanks. Woo! Thanks. Oh, oh, yeah. Woo! 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 Yeah! Woo!
All right.
I didn't quite make it. Oh God, I'm snotty and I'm tired. Oh my God, that's so much uphill. The downhill rips so.